Okay, here we go again. We're going to look at exporting the images. To begin with, I'm going to export 2D images that you can print out. You can do a series from different angles to show friends, neighbours, parish councillors, planners, whoever you wanted. So orientate your model to whichever angle you'd like a picture from. Have sun and shadows on or off, whichever you feel is appropriate. And then go to File, Export, 2D Graphic. It's just a question of choosing a file name and a folder where you want to save it, as you would with any file. You have one or two options. You can use the view size. Mine is fairly small at the moment because I've reduced it for making the videos, but you can use your ordinary view size or untick that and put in your own figures, should you wish. You can also, you've got a slider to reduce quality and file size. I tend to just leave it at best because I'm going to print it. So it's as simple as that, really. I'm going to cancel that for the moment. There's one other thing you can do as well. You can go to File, Export and 3D Model. This saves it, as you'll see, as an export type KMZ. This is the kind of file that can be read in Google Earth. So this is the file I would save and email to a friend if I wanted to allow them to see my model in Google Earth. So it's just folder and file name as normal, and then click Export. I'm just going to click cancel for the moment, but if you clicked export, that would save it as a KMZ file, email that to a friend, and they will be able to import it, orientate it correctly, into their version of Google Earth. So that is it for this series of Google Sketchup videos, which I created to go with my article in Self-Build and Design magazine. If there's anything that I've omitted or anything that's been confusing, if you want any help with any of this, then do feel free to go to my website, www.spottycat.co.uk, and email me or use the chat link, and if I can help, I'll be very happy to do so. You can also follow my design and build of my extension on the same website, if that's of any interest to you. So thanks for listening. It's been fun to do. I hope it's been useful to you. So thanks a lot. Bye.